Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the machine won't die mid-update. Plug in the laptop or confirm the desktop UPS is active. Next, free up space if needed, aim for about 20 GB, delete large temp files and empty recycle bin so downloads won't fail. Then open Settings, choose Update and Security and click Windows Update. Start checking for updates now. This initial sequence ensures downloads complete reliably and avoids mid-process failures that require recovery or rollback. Once Windows finds updates, you click Check for Updates and watch the download percentage. Larger feature updates can take 20-60 minutes or more depending on speed. Make sure to set active hours or schedule a restart so work isn't interrupted. You can also allow the system to restart outside those hours. If an optional feature update appears, confirm hardware and app compatibility before installing it. Throughout, keep the device connected to power and a stable network to prevent corruption during installation. You finish by letting the final restart complete. During configuration, the system may reboot several times, so don't force power off. After boot, go back to Settings, right arrow Update and Security, right arrow View Update History to confirm success and check for driver issues. If you spot a failed update, run the Windows Update troubleshooter, then retry updates. If that fails, uninstall the problematic update or roll back a driver. This targeted approach fixes most issues without needing full system recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.